Southern Africa, you see Zulu. Yeah. I believe Southern Africa is the one for South Africa and other Africa like Zimbabwe also. I don't know. And then you also see Central Africa, Lingala, King Congo, Tishiluba, Sango, North Africa, you see. So I don't think any of you might like all of you in this channel. Hey, ceremony. All of you on this channel, I'm sure you see your language here. I'm very, very sure you see your language here. So if you're passionate about this one, go now and apply. Okay. Go now and apply. This can be your entry level opportunity. It says no prior experience required for entry level work. Bonus background in translation, linguistic teaching, journalism, or content writing. So if you speak Yoruba fluently or Igbo, for instance, you can go and apply as long as you're fluent in speaking them and you can understand, you know, and you can be able to flag the nuances, idioms, dialect, context that AI systems routinely miss. Then go and apply for this one, okay? Go and apply. This person that called ceremony called me one name. Your language is here, so go and apply now. I think data annotation is one of the entry levels of AI training jobs. You see, data annotation, image labeling, these are the entry levels. If you want to like start earning from AI training, like as soon as possible, you can go and upskill in these two uh roles that they're showcasing here, data annotation or image labeler. Just go and upskill right now for them. I believe you're going to, land your AI training job. So this is the application form, very straight to the point. Drag and drop your resume here. It will also fill it. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, please get a LinkedIn profile. You're already on it. Well done. You know, list every African language you're fluent in. Guys, if you're fluent in more than Igbo, Yoruba, fill it in here. This will increase your chances. So that it will not mean that you only have to, translate your Igbo language or Hausa language. If you even know Swahili, if you're Nigerian and you speak Swahili, list all of them here. Again, resume is saying optional, but please put a resume here. You see, when they start using optional, a lot of you miss it and say, it says optional. Please attach your resume. You need it. You need it. Okay. Let's share the live and let's tap the screen as well, please. It encourages algorithm. This is for this one. And we have AI data curator, hiring only Nigerians. Okay. So now that we know what Data Lens Africa is, I'm not going to read about them anymore. Are you passionate about building clean, reliable data sets for AI and machine learning models? About your role, you design and maintain pipelines for data collection, cleaning, and transformation. You work with annotation and QA teams to ensure dataset integrity, implement automation for dataset validation and storage, collaboration with AI engineers to prepare data for model training. You contribute to improving data curation workflows and tools.